Welcome to Curveseries Academy. I am Talia and I will be your teacher today. Through this advanced training series, you'll unlock the full potential of Curveseries, empowering you to perform even more insightful and effective data analysis. In this video, you will learn how to create and interpret histogram charts. Curveseries is created by traders for traders. We know how important it is to visualize how commodity prices are distributed over time. Histograms help you spot critical price levels, explore price volatility, and assess the probability of market moves, all of which are essential for better risk management and smarter trading decisions. To create a histogram chart in Curveseries, simply right-click on the chart legend and select Statistics. Then choose Histogram and select your desired interval and click OK. For instance, choose an interval size of 1. Each bar in the histogram will represent a $1 range in your dataset. It's important to note that the histogram is calculated based on the range of data selected in the chart. This feature allows you to clearly visualize price frequency of your dataset at a glance, making it easier to interpret how often each value occurs across different intervals. For example, when analyzing the gasoline East-West Month 1 dataset, the histogram can quickly reveal where most of the values cluster and which price range occurs most frequently. You'll also see key statistics such as last, representing the most recent data point, and mean, the average based on your selected range. You can see the relationship of the last value to the mean, providing critical insights into important price levels and market trends. On behalf of all the staff at Curveseries, I would like to thank you for trusting us with your analytics needs. We will do our utmost to help you in any scenario or complex analytics you are about to explore. Thank you for completing the advanced tutorials. We hope this advanced tutorial has given you a deeper understanding of how to use our platform effectively. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact our support team via the email listed in the description or displayed on screen. We are always here to assist you. We wish you all the best of luck in your future trading using Curveseries.